Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Angel, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. I am going to do a cute little set. I haven't done this before. I don't know if it's going to work, but we're going to try it together. I have okay, so I have put two coats of black on that, as well as a base coat. And I'm just finishing up this. This is a cute little style of nail. I haven't done it before. Well, I've done regular size, but this is like a short ballerina, I guess it would be. It's like an almond with its tip chopped off. I think it's kind of cute looking. Yeah, so I'm going to paint these nails black, and we're going to have some fun with lots of cat eye polishes. So by now, most people have seen and done the whole red glass nails and those beautiful nails. I personally like blue. I haven't done it yet, but a full set, but blue, that looks like the best to me. Okay, so that part's done, and now I've got all of these. I actually have probably maybe 30 cat eye polishes right now. I love them. But I'm going to put a whole bunch of colors out on my palette. And I actually might use a different palette. Let me give it a little rub down. You didn't see that. Okay, this is clean, even though it looks kind of ratty. I keep doing that. Oh well, this side's clean. So what I plan to do is put out, yeah, I might not even do that. That might be just too much work. I might just open up all of these. I've got a pink one here, and I have a purple. And some of these are velvet finishes, and some are glitter. I have that green here. I have a black sparkle. Oh, I lost my tab. I have another green. Are these the same? No. So one has a yellowy, one's more yellowy. I'll separate those. This one is a shift. It's got gold and silver. It's the dual light ones. This one is silver. Might not use that one since everyone uses that. And I have a red glitter one. Let's see. Let's get another different color. Ooh, I got this one that's got gold. That one might be good. It's silver, but it's got gold in it. Let's see. Oh, I like this one. This one's got the blue and purple. This one is the dual. Again, maybe use some of that. This is just an experiment. So it might look like garbage, right? Ooh, I got this pretty blue sparkle. I don't know if this one is cat eye, actually. Let me give her a check out. Oh, yep. Okay, got that color. And I have this color. This one's more like a red. Yeah, that's pretty too. Alright, this is a whack of colors for a little tiny nail. But what I kind of had planned on doing was... Oh, I'm missing a nail. Where'd it go? Where it at? Okay, I found it. Crisis averted. Okay, so my plan was to kind of put a dot of all different colors on each nail and do it up and see what it looks like. This may be a disaster. I don't know. But we're going to give it a try and see how it looks. So I'm going to do my dot method like so. And maybe with each color, I'll go around to every nail. I'll put like a color on every nail. I thought about putting blooming gel down first, but I'll give this a try first. This is an experiment. I guess I don't have to pick them up. Okay, one color. Let's, I guess, do this blue since it's here. Now I gotta try to do it so that they're not completely touching. And getting goopy. Okay, I got them all dotted up. Now for the moment of truth. Actually, I'm gonna close all these and get them out of my way. Okay, I have two ways of thinking here. I can either leave it like this, or I can take a little brush and try like connecting them. But I'm going to see how this goes just doing it one at a time. And is it possible to get them all activated? Okay, friends, they're all done. Here's how they look. What do you think? Well, I think they're trash. Definitely trash. Here, let's zoom in on these bad boys.
Wow.
Yeah, it kind of looked like a 6-year-old got into some nail polish and put blobs on it. Literally trash. But I have to perfect this because this is not how I want it to look like in my head, but it kind of, it's just, this isn't it, but I still have an idea for this. I need to perfect it. I think it would have been better had I done one color at a time and put the cat eye on, because I could get the sides pretty well for the cat eye, but the tops, if I go to do the tops in the cat eye, then I lose the sides, so yeah. Anyway, it was fun to make. Now you don't have to do it. You can just watch me make my mistakes, and you don't have to waste your time trying this unless you know a way that could perfect it. I think I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna try making like a stained glass window type with the cat eye. Maybe that'd be better with, straight lines instead of blobs just on the nail. Anyway, they're my size, so I'm gonna rock them and not wear them in public. I don't want people knowing I did this, but I think they're still fun even though they're trash. Anyway, thanks so much for watching this video. Until the next video, bye friends. I won't even say hit the like button. There's nothing to like here. Bye friends.